Hello guys, welcome to my video. 4 July morse code or cipher code is here. So let's start the video. So our first letter is O, and O mean hold. And our second letter is R, dot, hold, hold, dot. And our third letter is A, and A mean dot, hold. And our fourth letter is C, and C mean hold, dot, hold, dot. Hold, dot, hold, dot. And our next letter is L, and L mean dot, hold, dot, dot. Dot, hold, dot, dot. And our next letter is E, and E mean only dot. And here is our prize. Take this prize, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more update about Hamster Kombat.